wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Woo! Home run!
Home run! Hi, kids!
Hi, kids!
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
We're playing baseball today.
Yeah.
But not outside, inside.
We're playing inside baseball. Do you see that behind us?
Yeah, do you see that board?
That's going to be our baseball board.
Yeah. But how do we play? Well, we need balls, right? But we can't play with a real ball because that means shadowed windows, shattered glasses.
That's dangerous in the house, especially a baseball. Those are hard.
And Mom and Dad would not be happy if we broke their glass and shattered their windows.
Nope, they would be very, very mad, and then we wouldn't get to play at all. So
what do?
Magnets!
We use magnets! Yay!
Magnets are so much fun.
Yeah, and to make them look like baseballs, we use this paper.
Yep.
Which look like baseballs!
Baseballs, yep. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors.
Yep.
And we'll cut each out the baseballs. We'll cut out all the baseballs. And then we're going to take the baseballs and glue them with our glue to the back of magnets.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So kids, what you can do is you can get these printouts from the internet or ask your mom or dad to help, or you can just draw circles with a glass.
At the bottom of a cup,
and then use a red marker to make them look like they have the stitches of a baseball.
Yeah. Or any color if you want it to be a different color baseball.
Of course, that's also possible.
Yep.
And then we cut them out and then stick the glue onto the piece of paper and stick the piece of paper onto the magnet.
Yep, and then we will have baseball magnets.
Yep, exactly. So those are the things you'll need. How about you get these at your own house or in your own room or wherever you keep these things, and then by the time you come back, we'll be done with our baseballs.
Yep, we'll be all done and we'll show you, and then
what do you play baseball.
Activities!
Home run!
Home run!
Okay, we'll see you shortly, kids.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Shh, crowd goes wild. Woo! Hi, guys.
Oh, you're back again.
Jamming, yeah. Hi, kids. Did you get all your stuff? Great.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
See, look what we've done. Did you do these two already?
See?
They look pretty cool, don't they?
Yeah. You show yours.
They look like real baseballs.
Yeah, and this is the back.
That's the magnet.
Yeah, so that magnet is stuck there, and on the front, it looks like a baseball.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to come to the other side. So we're going to face the baseball board and then throw it and flick it. And then depending on where it lands, you'll see it has different points. It has triple points or home runs or single point. That'll determine if we're going to score or not.
Yep, and I am going to get a home run.
Well, we'll just see about that, I guess.
Oh, well, I guess we will, won't we?
Is that a challenge?
That is a double challenge.
A double challenge. Kids, Olivia double challenged me.
That's right.
Whoa.
I'm pretty confident in baseball.
It's a double challenge.
Double challenge.
Well, let's go and get started.
All right, let's go. Get my balls.
Okay, I'm going to get my balls too. Kids, here we are at our baseball field. Are you ready to play?
Yeah, I'm so ready to play.
Double challenge.
Double challenge.
Double loser.
Baseball. Yep, you will be a double loser.
We'll just see about that one.
Yeah, let's do it. Are you going to go first?
I'm going to go first.
Okay, you go first. Woo! Baseball.
Your turn.
My turn. So we're just throwing the baseballs at the board. My turn. 1, 2.
Oh,
Almost.
Yay!
Good job.
Oh, that was close.
I think it stuck to the back.
Oh, nice.
Wow. Yay! Oh, you're doing
out.
very, very good.
Twice I'm out. Okay, my turn.
Okay, your turn. Yay! Oh, it
almost.
fell. Okay, my turn.
Oh, almost.
Almost.
Yay!
Yay! Okay,
I got a single.
Oh, yeah, you did good. Let's see.
That was close.
Yeah.
I won a home run.
Ooh,
a triple.
Triple, that's amazing. Okay, hold on, my turn.
Your turn.
Yeah,
Do you want to go first this time?
Yes, I do. I want to go first because first is the best. Come on, I'm the best.
But
Okay, go.
so far I've scored a triple.
Oh, but it's only the second inning.
Yeah.
Boom! Well, I hit the board.
Yeah, you hit the board.
Wow.
Oh,
how
what
are
is
you
that?
throwing that's different than how I'm throwing?
Well, it's all about the wrist.
All about the wrist. Okay, okay. All right, I'm ready. And
Okay.
my wrist. That was that.
Okay, that was good.
That was
You're
weird.
getting closer.
Okay, I'm closer. Almost, almost.
Okay, your turn.
And my turn.
Oh,
They just don't land flat, I guess.
Nope.
Oh, almost. That would have stuck though.
Yeah, that would have stuck. This is poor direction.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Almost.
Man,
My turn.
your turn. Oh, that should have stuck. My turn.
Oh,
Out. Yeah.
my turn.
Ooh.
Oh, I think that's out.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah. It says out.
Oh, then yeah, I guess it's out. Oh, I see. Yeah, it is.
I hit an out.
All right, my turn.
Your turn.
Wow, that went so far. It would have been out of the park.
That would have been a home run.
Yeah.
Okay, time for a home run.
Woo. Oh, it would have been though.
Would have been.
It would have been. All right,
Okay.
let's go get the balls.
One more. Third inning.
Third inning. Woo.
Okay, my turn. Are you ready?
Okay. You go.
Third inning.
You go.
Third inning.
Third inning. Phew, almost.
Almost.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, your turn.
Oh, I almost
No.
had that one. Your turn.
New ball.
New ball.
Okay, ready.
Okay, go ahead. Ooh,
Oh.
good job. Good
But
shot.
out. Nope.
Aw.
Okay, my turn again.
Okay, your turn. Ooh, too high.
Nope,
My
too
turn.
Whoa!
Yay!
Nice job.
High five, triple. Your turn.
It's 4-3 now.
Ooh, 4-3. Ooh, oh no,
almost.
foul ball. That was like a weird spinning, falling one.
Yeah.
Okay,
My turn.
your turn. Ooh, almost. My turn.
Nope.
Nope. Your turn.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn, yeah. Ooh,
Yay, single.
Good job, my turn. Oh,
Too bad.
yep, too bad.
Foul.
Foul.
Okay.
Okay,
So it's 5-3 now.
5-3.
Fourth inning.
Wait.
Last inning.
Okay, last inning, let's go.
Okay.
Woo!
Okay, Olivia.
Okay.
Now it's your turn again.
Okay, my turn. Okay, hold on. 1, 2.
Home run!
Run!
Whoa! Nice job!
Yay! I told you I could do everything. Woo! Okay, your turn.
Okay, my turn.
Come on, home run.
Out.
Oh, but it's stuck.
Yep.
Yay! All right, my turn.
Okay, your turn.
Oh, I might have blocked the camera. I can't tell. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, it was like a weird spinny one.
But it was close.
Yep.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Home run!
Woo!
Okay, your turn. So much exciting.
Yeah,
in this
I hope I
game.
get the other home run.
Okay. Oh,
Nope, but I
that was
tried. I
close.
almost got it. Yeah.
That was really close.
Oh,
ouch.
out. Oh, too bad.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Your turn.
And
Whoa, that was close.
so close.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn. Home run! Yay! Home run. Yeah, good job.
Good job.
All right, my turn.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3. Almost. Your turn.
Double!
Woo!
Okay,
Yay!
not too exciting.
Okay.
It's not a home run.
Yeah, I just got so much more excited about the home runs. It just stayed with me.
Yeah.
Okay, are you
Okay,
ready?
your turn.
Okay, my turn. Go. 1, 2. Oh, this is the last one.
Should we do it together?
Yeah, let's do it together.
Okay.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
3. Oh, almost.
But that was a fun game,
That
wasn't
was
it?
a really fun game.
Well, kids, I hope you were able to play this game at home too, because it's so much fun!
It's so much fun! And Noah got 2 home runs. Woo! Good job, Noah!
Yeah.
Yeah, high five! Woo! Yay! That was awesome.
Yep. Okay, kids. Well, it was nice having you today, and I hope you
Yeah.
had fun, just as much fun as we did,
Yeah,
actually.
we had a lot of fun. I enjoyed
Yep.
the craft part and the baseball part, and I got a home run too.
Yeah.
Yay.
You did a good job.
Thanks, you did too.
You're getting better and better at this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll continue playing, but we'll see you next time.
Okay, see you guys next time.
Okay, bye.
Let's go get the balls.
Let's go get the balls.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!